Hi, for today's maths challenge, we're going to be making some number sentences using Uno cards to generate the numbers and some other cards to help us make the sentences. To help with the counting, you can use other items that you may find around your home. I'm going to use some biscuits. And I've also got some sugar on a plate to help me practice writing the numbers that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to switch over and we will start the demonstration. Okay, to start the challenge, you will need Uno cards, something to count. I'm using mini biscuits that were in my cupboard that are out of date. You will also need cards with the symbols on. So you will need an equals symbol, you will need a subtraction symbol, and you will need the addition symbol as well. You will also need, you don't have to have, but you can do, some sugar or some salt or flour on a plate, which you can use to form your numbers in. So first of all, you would choose your Uno cards. Now I have chosen two cards. I have 3 and a 4. For the addition sum, it doesn't matter which order the 3 and the 4 come in. Let's make sure that that 3 is up the right way. So I would put my addition symbol in the middle because I'm making a number sentence. And at the end, I would need the equals sign. So to work out what that number sentence is, I would use 3 of my biscuits here and 4 of my biscuits over here. So I would then add those together. So you would start counting here. 1, 2, 3. Keep 3 in your head and then count on 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer to that is then 7. All the while, you can be practicing over here. So you would practice your 3 in your salt or my sugar. And when you've done that, just shake it. And then you can practice your 4. And when you've done that, again, shake it up. You can even practice the symbols. So I can practice an addition sign there or the equal sign there or the takeaway sign. So the answer to our number sentence, we're going back to the number sentence, is 7. So I can put 7 in the sugar. And we know we have 7 because we have 7 biscuits, which is wonderful. So the next thing I'm going to do is just put those back very carefully, is make the same, using the same numbers, I'm going to make the inverse of this number sentence. So the inverse is kind of like the reverse and the opposite. So the opposite of the addition sign is the takeaway sign. So I'm going to put takeaway subtraction in there and I'm going to take these numbers out of there. With a subtraction sum, you always start with the biggest number. And then you can choose which number here to take away. So I'm going to take away 3. I'm going to just put that over there for a moment. And then I'm going to count out 7. Going back over here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 biscuits. I'm going to take away 3. So I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put those back over here. How many biscuits am I then left with? I am then left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remaining card that you have will be over here, will be the 4. And 4 is your answer. So my challenge to you is see how many addition sums you can make using Uno cards, playing cards, number cards that you can make yourself, and see if you can use those cards to make the inverse subtraction sums as well. Have fun. Thank you.